Hi, this is Manjot from Lens Passions Photography. As you know, I started a new series of Photoshop for the beginner and I have uploaded two videos on basic. First, how to open and create files, and second, what is a layer and how it creates. Before going further, I am replaying video on the layer so new viewers can also watch about it. Otherwise, I am inserting cards above both basic videos, also adding the links in the comment section. So watch the whole video to know more about basic of Photoshop. In today's video, we will talk about layers. Layers are another essential tool that any Photoshop user knows how to use. This tool is one of the most useful tools. Layers allow you to work on parts of an image without changing others. They allow you to layer various edits and sections each, meaning its own separate section and having no impact on any others. You can see some icons in layer panel. First is a create a new layer. By clicking it, a new layer will be created. Another icon is eye icon. By clicking it, you can hide or unhide specific layers or layers. Another icon is a group layer. By creating group, you can manage your layers in specific group. After that, here is an adjustment layer icon. You can create any adjustment layer by clicking this icon. We can also give a specific name of the layer. When renaming layers in the layers panel, double click the layer name to rename it. Then without pressing the enter or return key to apply the new name. Here I am creating a new adjustment layer and renaming by double clicking on default layer name. You can easily create a duplicate layer by using Ctrl+J keys in Windows and Command+J in Mac. You can also create duplicate layer by choosing layer panel menu and selecting duplicate layer. Another way to create duplicate layer by choosing layer menu and then select duplicate layer. The same way you can create a new layer simply clicking on create a new layer icon, or you can also create a new layer by going layer menu. Now I am adding again adjustment layer to change the color of drink. I am changing drink color blue to any other color, but our main image in first layer is not affected. So it allows us to modify the image, change color and add text or open multiple images in same document. Now come to new part of the series is a how to resize resample of your image in Photoshop. Again I appeal you please help my channel by liking, commenting and sharing. First I am opening an image from Photoshop CC2019. Choose image, select image size. Also you can use Ctrl+Alt+I in Windows and Command+Option+I in Mac. This image size is 2000 in width and 1019 in height in pixels. Measure width and height in pixels for image you plan to use online or in inches or centimeters for images to print. Keep the link icon highlighted to preserve propositions. This automatically adjusts the height when you change the width and vice versa. I am zooming out the preview. As I changed image width 2000 to 1000, the height automatically adjusted to 1019 pixels to 510 pixels. So as I changed width 2000 to 3000, the height adjusted to 1019 to 1529 pixels automatically. It is going to its original size anytime change to original value. Now I am taking the link from here and changing the size. You can see either I change width or height, the image will be distorted because of proposition is not same. Now I will telling you how to change image by using resolution. Choose image size. Resolution in this dialog box means the number of image pixels that will be assigned to each inch when the image is printed. Leave width and height set to inches for printing. In the resolution field, Set the number of pixels per inch to 300 for printing to a typical desktop inkjet printer. This changes the number of inches in the width and height fields and click OK. You can see image size increase 2000 by 1019 to 6250 by 3184 automatically. It will come back on same size after changing value 300 to 96, any original value. Here original resolution is 96, so I change to 96 again. Next tool is the crop to increase the size. Select the crop tool in the tools panel. A crop border appears. Drag any edge or corner to adjust the size and shape of the crop board. You can also click the check mark in the option bar or press enter in Windows or return into Mac to complete the crop. You can see I stretch the crop borders, the canvas size increased, and you can resize of your image by using Ctrl+T in Windows and Command+T in Mac. Another beautiful feature of crop tool, if we select content aware on option box, after stretching the canvas, empty part will be filled with image automatically. I am adding a card above so you can see how it works. In last, how can we change canvas size? Choose image menu and select canvas size. To add canvas, enter the amount of width and height to add measure width and height in pixels for online use or in inches for print. I selected bottom anchor point to increase the size of top of the canvas. I selected percent, default percent showing 100%. As I changed value 100 to 110%. The canvas size increased to 10% more. Now select relative and then select an anchor point in the canvas diagram. The arrow point to the sides where the canvas will be added. As increased 5% in width, both sides are added. So as I added 5% in width and 5% in height, 4 sides are added. Now that's all for today. My appeal is same: like, comment and share. Support my channel so I will keep uploading new videos. Thanks for watching.